Hi guys, how are you all doing? Happy Sunday to you all. So guys, today I want to show you what a serious person or someone who really wants to make money uses every month. If you really wants to make this money, if you really want to, save much before the end of this year, by God's grace, you need to start forming these habits because it's going to help you by God's grace to achieve that. If winches, bad luck, rising and falling, setbacks, promise and fail has become your problem for years, guys, watch me explain all of these products and how you can use them. As you can see on the video, some of these products, like this one here, I don't joke with this soap. As you can see, this soap, this particular soap here, I've used it up to this half, but I have it a lot on the stock. This soap here, what it does is a very serious back to sender. Now, before you use this soap, before you use this back to sender, first, you must use this. This is cleansing. This cleansing soap can be used to mop your floor in the house, to remove any negativity out from your home. It can also be used to mop your shop where you are selling in case there is any negative energy or at the front of your shop. After mopping with this soap, just pour the water in front of your shop and it's going to neutralize everything being buried there. Before you cannot talk about this back to sender. So when you are done with the cleansing, you come in here with the back to sender soap to return every back to sender that have sent on your business, your marriage, your visa, anything. Then after that, guys, you come in here. This is where you have money making soap. This soap is very strong. I do this soap 2 times in a year. This soap, as it is right now, as small as it is, if you are in need of money but you have business, your business is not moving well, so that's when you now come up with this one. Okay, so you start using this one. So when you are done with this, with using this money soap, yeah, so another one that you would add it up is this one here on the container. This, what it does is fast action. It boosts all the previous soap that I just mentioned. It make them to work very fast and effectively. Okay, so this is what this soap does. This particular one, it boosts all your spiritual product that you are using. For example, you are the type that spiritual product don't want for you, get this soap. Okay, so that's what it does for. Now, this one here, this one here is attraction for business. Okay, so when I sell this soap for you, if I'm selling it, I'll tell you to go and look for this miracle leaf to put it. You cannot put it in a container and you cannot put it anyhow. It is specially made to put in a miracle leaf, so that is why you see me putting it here. Okay, so that is the instruction of the soap. You must put it in a miracle leaf. Okay, so that is it. Then before you cannot come to this one is for favor and good luck. Okay, so this one you can take it as a daily soap. Yeah, if you're going to maybe for an important business, you can just bath with this soap and it's very good. It makes you stand out among all the people that is in the meeting. Yeah, so that's what this soap does. Now, while you are bathing this soap every day, the soap I just mentioned, please always make sure that you burn this incense, dollar incense. If you are an international businessman or woman, it's going to help to be attracting dollars to your business. People are going to be patronizing you in dollar. That is, if you're an international businessman, even if you're not an international businessman, but you have a business you're doing, always make sure that you burn this incense. Is good in attracting money. So here I put this one. You can also put it in your bathing water, allow it to be there for like 5 minutes. This is called what we call anonebe seed. It destroys every evil hand on your life, every sickness, hidden sickness, send the one they send, the one they arrow, anything, just put it in your bathing water, and it's very good that you bath with it every day. When you want to bath with it, just put it inside your bathing water and then allow it to be there for like 5 minutes, and you will notice the face of the water that you want to bath will change to dark brown. Okay, so when it changes, bring it out and keep it somewhere it pursues witches like tomorrow no day. It scare them away, that to the extent that they will never think of coming in inside your house. So this oil now is for protection, this one is for money, this one is for fast selling, and this one is do as I said, yeah, oil. So all of this oil, they are available. This one is crab puller, little crab puller, and it works wonder no matter how small it is. Yeah, so it looks small but it works wonders. Okay, so this is also dollar perfume that you can also wear every day, and they are all very effective. This is call money perfume. This is the original one. All right. So when you want to make money, you want to call money, you want your business to be booming, all you have to do is spray it 7 times on your body, on your body, and then on your forehead. Then you call money 7 times. Yeah, so this is attraction oil. So this Onella, very good in attracting customer. Okay, so this is love and attraction perfume. Okay, so this water, you can use it to be washing your face every morning. Every morning, use this water to wash your face to remove evil marks, and use it together with this one. With this one, as you can see, always use this. Okay, I don't joke with it, because enemy can put an evil mask on your face while you are asleep if you're not spiritually strong, even if you're strong. So it's good that when you wake up from the sleep like that, if you're a businessman or businesswoman, you use something like this to remove any sudden evil marks being placed on you while you are sleeping. Okay, so this is this Come To Me perfume is very very good for our love, our single sisters and brothers. So this is a mixed spiritual herbs that is I mix inside this. Okay, this divine favor. So there is a lot of herbs inside here that helps to boost your divine favor. Okay, so basically guys, all of these things, they are available for sale. We also ship, and let me just tell you guys, do you know that I ship in a very affordable price right now? So no matter where you're watching this video, you want me to ship anything for you, so I ship in a very affordable price. Do not be afraid in ordering something, maybe thinking that shipment will cost you big money. No, I ship in a very discount rate, which is very very affordable and considerable as well. So just feel free to chat me up to order any of this, or maybe you want to order other things that you're not seeing here. We also have crude oil, yeah, that you can use to make back to sender oil. We have original palm kernel oil, manako ojuku, thunderstone. All of those things will have it. Yeah. So all you have to do is just chat me on this number on WhatsApp, 090 59825779, 090 59825779. So guys, see you on my next teaching. Just have a wonderful afternoon. Enjoy your Sunday. Bye for now.